The issue of Iyabo Ojo and the fan is just a setup. And APC, there's something I want to tell the APC. Share the next election. Ti federal bada, the state imudada, the local government imudada. Iyabo Ojo is not a regular profile of status any politician can actually adopt. Iyabo Ojo's status and profile is rotten in the society. She has involved herself in so many criminal cases. And I'm telling you for free, that will really mess her life up. Am I communicating? Number one, Iyabo Ojo does not have any education. She does not learn any handwork. Iyabo Ojo has granted many interviews, which some of us will listen to it, and she does not have anything upstairs. She does not have anything here. And some of you are saying, okay, Iyabo Ojo does not have that profile. Just like when you are saying, Rakumi work for APC. Anything that has to do with drugs, the government don't want to be identified with you. Ijimere has never stepped on anybody's toe. Ijimere has been doing her life, jeje. Even the one Ijimere did that she offended us, it was Iyabo Ojo that set her up. And I have to make her face what she has done, because bó ṣe wà yẹn final stage ni mo fún yẹn tó bá pon there further ojú ẹ máa bàjẹ́ beyond repair tí mo dẹ̀ máa gbé evidence jáde fún ìyẹn Ijimere ni mo ń sọ. Apart from Iyabo Ojo setting Ijimere up to offend us, has Ijimere ever offended anybody? Ijimere has lived a good life. She has never involved herself in issue of murder case like Mohbad. She has not involved in drugs issue. She has never been involved in issue of stalking, cyber stalking. Everybody in the whole world knows who Rakumi and Iyabo Ojo is. Don't expect the government to romance Rakumi and Iyabo Ojo. Stop it. Do not compare Ijimere and Rakumi. Because Rakumi works for APC, iṣẹ́ wo ló ṣe fẹ́ APC? Ṣé ntoro ya photo ó gbé síta? Campaign mélòó ló ṣe? Ọ̀rọ̀ mélòó ló sọ? Ọ̀rọ̀ onílàkàyè mélòó ló sọ? Ṣé ni tó wá parọ́ mọ́ rẹ̀ kẹ́ lè bá rò pé ó ti mọ̀yàn kó ti arrive? Ṣé rò pé nǹkan tó wá fi ń fún yàn l'appointment nìyẹn? Ṣé ẹ̀yin rò pé nǹkan tó wá fi ń fún yàn l'appointment nìyẹn? Nǹkan tó fi ń fún yàn l'appointment kan nìyẹn. Bá mi bẹ̀rẹ̀ fún mi ní kí ló ń pè mí? Fún mi ní file. Nǹkan tó fi ń fún yàn l'appointment kan nìyẹn. Jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀. Jẹ́ kí n wò. Nǹkan tó fi ń fún yàn l'appointment kan nìyẹn. Then me máa sọ fún anybody. Everybody lọ tẹpá mọ́ṣẹ́. If you are supporting, Ijimere has never involved herself in donation. God bless you. Ijimere has never ever involved herself or offending anybody. The one she did to Lydia Anjorin, it was Iyabo Ojo that set her up. If her mother is alive, her mother will never allow her to get close to Iyabo Ojo. Toro oni ohun tí ojú àgbàlagbà rí kó tó jìn. Ẹ rí pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn gbà tí àwọn wà láyé, Iyabo Ojo tó bẹ́ẹ̀ láti súnmọ́ wọn. Gbà tí àwọn bá kú tán, Iyabo Ojo máa ń súnmọ́ wọn. So don't say wọ́n ṣe kinní kan, wọ́n lọ súnmọ́ lágbájá, wọ́n súnmọ́ tẹ̀mẹ̀dò. Ẹ rò pé àwọn government ò mọ àwọn tó mu drugs láàrin yín. Ẹ rò pé àwọn government ò mọ àwọn tó ń pààyàn láàrin yín. Ẹ rò pé àwọn government ò mọ àwọn tó ń cyber stalk èèyàn láàrin yín. Tán bá ní kó má pààyàn, kó má ṣèkà, kó má bà tèèyàn jẹ́, end ẹ̀ nìyẹn. Ìdí ẹ̀ nìyẹn. Ẹ rò pé àwọn government, kódà the government knows more than ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé ó wà controversial. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé ó ní group tó fi ń bully àwọn èèyàn. Àwọn ọmọ tó ti bully governor rí. Àwọn ọmọ tó ti bully ìyàwó governor rí. Àwọn ọmọ tó ti ẹ ti gbàgbé pé oní tíátà kan wà nínú House of Assembly tó tó dẹ̀ ní good relationship pẹ̀lú governor. Ẹ rò pé àwọn governor kì í pera wọn jókòó. Ẹ rò pé ẹ máa lọ serious mi rẹ̀ dá tí ó serious tó yín. Ọjọ́ tẹ́ rí wọn tán lọ ya photo pẹ̀lú Ṣèyí. Tẹ́ rí wọn tán jọ lọ ya photo pẹ̀lú Ṣèyí. Kí ni mini picture Ṣèyí tán post? Pẹ̀lú photo tán lọ ya pẹ̀lú Ṣèyí tán post. Ìjọ́ ò lẹ́yìn ti rí Eniola Badmus kó máa live life tí Ràkúnmí àti Iyabo Ojo ń live. Ẹ wà tíjọ́ tí Eniola ti gba appointment. Ẹ fún mi níbi tí Eniola ti attack àwọn èèyàn. Ẹ fún mi níbi tó ti lọ kó group jọ pé kán lọ máa bá tèèyàn jẹ́. Bó ṣe jẹ́ oní tíátà tó ó lọ live a very quiet quality life ni. Ẹ rò pé wọn mọ̀ pé Ràkúnmí ní group. Ẹ rò pé àwọn ìjọba òmẹ́ni tó wà London Gistlover. Wọ́n fi yín lẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹni kó máa bá ti yín jẹ́ lọ. Wọ́n fi yín lẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ rò pé wọn mọ̀. Gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ń wò yín wọ́n wo bí IQ ń ṣe rí. Lọ fi Ràkúnmí. Godfather Ràkúnmí àná. Nígbà tó náwó fún Ràkúnmí kò ní problem o. Mi ò mọ̀ ó dá epo ní tíátà kan náà fi replace wọn. Ẹ gbọ́ tán ni mò ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún Godfather ni. Gbóǹbẹ̀ ní iṣẹ́ mi ìmọ̀rú iṣẹ́ tí mo gbà. Èwo ẹni tó ní estate. Ẹ rò pé àwọn gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì yóò mọ ẹni tó wà lábẹ́ Gistlover. Ẹ rò pé àwọn gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì yóò mọ̀ pé àwọn ọmọ yẹn wà dangerous. Báwo rí gbọ́? Ṣé òun rè? Ẹ rò pé àwọn gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì yóò mọ̀? Ọmọ wọn sọ̀rọ̀ ni. Wọ́n á lọ fi ìmàdò bá ṣe bí ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ àbàlújẹ́. Ẹ lọ fọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ lójú. Wọ́n mọ̀ mélòó làwa ìmọ̀ àwa ń wò yín ni. Irọ́ ló mi pa. Maybe Emesho didn't know that Eniola has advertised for money months before. Kí lẹ sọ ẹni before, not now. Ẹni mo gbàgbé pé Eniola pẹ̀lú gbogbo wọn yẹn ti jọ wà tẹ́lẹ̀. Iyabo Ojo ti ní bó ṣe máa ń kí orí wọn lọ bá gbà wàhálà. Eniola ò ti lọ bá kò ti lọ bá Fọlá polówó brari ni. Iyabo Ojo ni. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀jọ́ gbọ́ ti tèmi ṣé ẹ̀ understand mi ni. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀jọ́ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ try láti understand mi. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀jọ́ àti Jímèrè àti Eniola, these are neutral people. Tí Iyabo Ojo lọ gbé wá. Iyabo Ojo ti sọ ẹnu èṣó àti àgbọn alẹ́ ó ti sọ wọ́n di irinṣẹ́ aburú tí society ti kọ̀yìn sí already. Bọ́n torí tẹ́lẹ̀ bá hate Eniola, Iyabo Ojo gbọ́dọ̀ gbé wọn lọ sí ibẹ̀ yẹn. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ gbé wọn lọ sọ́dọ̀ ẹnu èṣó. Tẹ́lẹ̀ bá hate wọn kàn lè ní problem. Dẹ̀ try láti understand. Ìwà tí Bíọ́dún Òkè owó wù, tí ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ bá wù, tí ẹbí ẹ bá wù, tí ara ẹ bá wù. First video tí Lizzy Anjorin kọ́kọ́ ṣe yẹn, kí ló máa sọ fẹ́ nìyẹn? Ìwà tí Bíọ́dún Òkè owó wù, first video tí Lizzy Anjorin kọ́kọ́ ṣe yẹn. Tó bá jẹ́ wípé Bíọ́dún Òkè owó ọ̀rẹ́ ẹni, ẹbí ẹni, ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹni, ará ẹni, àbúrò ẹni, ọmọ ẹni. First video tí Lizzy Anjorin kọ́kọ́ ṣe yẹn, tó dẹ̀ tí Lizzy Anjorin ṣe ti defend ẹ̀ rí, kí ló máa sáré pé Bíọ́dún ṣe? Kí ló kọ́kọ́ máa pè ṣe?
I do not believe.
Eniola was not part of them.
I do not believe. I believe that he's an excellent, a brilliant person. But I believe that he's old and his health would not.
Iyabo Ojo said APC ẹ bá mi tag àwọn APC. Iyabo Ojo re. Iyabo Ojo re destroying APC the way she has sent Mohbad to journey of no return, the way she has bullied Lizzy Anjorin, the way she has bullied very dark man. Nǹkan tí Iyabo Ojo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ ṣe fún Ẹniọlá. Wọ́n lè listen. Wọ́n lè listen ẹ tí mọ̀ wọ́n. Nǹkan tí Iyabo Ojo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ ṣe fún wọn lẹ tí ṣe ni because gbogbo yín mọ̀ pé Monimus kò ń ṣèyàn. Ẹ mọ̀ pé ìgbà tí Iyabo Ojo ń ti Monimus ó ti sọ di olórí burúkú ẹ̀dá ní society. So gbogbo àwọn tó bá ti target ó máa mú wọn lọ bẹ̀. Kọ́ tèmi ṣe sá fún nìyẹn. Yọ̀rọ̀ mi létí pé mo fẹ́ pẹ́ ni. Come on down. Time there till
Love him. See, I do not believe. I believe that he's an
Iyabo Ojo, you said you did not believe in APC. You did not believe in Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
excellent, a brilliant person. But I believe that
You believe in another brilliant person. Iyabo Ojo máa wò wá tó ń wò. Ọmọ fún mi ní file kí n máa ra dọ́gbọ́n ṣe file. Iyabo Ojo, ṣé tó bá dákẹ́ during election ẹ ṣé o máa kú ni? Ọmọ fún mi tó bá. Iyabo Ojo, nígbà election yẹn, gbogbo ṣe rí. Ṣé tó bá dákẹ́ nígbà yẹn ṣé o máa kú ni?
helped with
Má gbọ́. Iyabo mú bọ̀. Owó ṣáà ló fẹ́ gba ambassador fan yobo. Káàdìkẹ́ ló ń pè é. Kò lọ. Pé other line. Fi ohun lẹ̀ pé a fẹ́. Hello? Àǹtí tó gbé ọjà wọn lé nìyẹn. Èló ni rider fẹ́ gbà? Ṣé rider lẹ pè àbí taxi? Èló ló fẹ́ gbà? Bí èló? Mi ò gbọ́ ẹ. Wàláì mi ń gbọ́ kọ̀ọ̀kan wọlé. Hello, kí ló sọ? Èèyàn mi ẹjọ́ mú bọ̀. Elupi tọ́tì. Ṣẹ́rí tàbá stop Iyabo. Àwọn other people like her, pàápàá jùlọ àwọn ọmọ tó ń kó kiri yẹn, wọn ò ní mọ graffiti wà tí Iyabo Ojo ń. Iyabo ó bàjẹ́. Ayé ẹ̀ dẹ̀ bàjẹ́ pẹ̀lú. Iyabo, ìdí tó ṣe jẹ́yàn nínú ayé nìyẹn. Nǹkan tí ò ṣe dáa fún ẹnìyẹn nínú ayé. Ó máa ń ròyàn pin jù gbà. Ó máa ń ròyàn pin jù Iyabo Alice Ojo. Ó dẹ̀ máa ń takò àwọn èèyàn nígbà ìṣòro. Ìdí tó ṣe là nìyẹn nínú ayé. Ambassador fún yogo wá ń wẹ̀. Gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ sí president fúnra rẹ̀ gbọ́. Máa bọ̀ wá gbọ́. Ẹ̀yin ẹgbẹ́ APC. Ẹ má kí Iyabo Ojo kó bá yín. Yàn pé Iyabo Ojo ní a lot of people tó ti ṣàbùrú fún tó dẹ̀ hunt ẹ̀ down. Ẹ máa gbọ́. Ẹgbẹ́ àwọn tó sọ fún Tinubu.
I do not believe. I believe that he's an excellent, a brilliant person. But I believe that he's old and his health will
You believe Asiwaju Bola Ahmed is old and his health
not allow him see to the problems of Nigeria. I believe
so his health has rotten to the level of he will not see to the problem of Nigeria. Iyabo, a pathetic illiterate like you. Education you have none. Handwork you have none. See the way you are talking to a current #1, the president of Nigeria. Iyabo gbọ́lọ́run ọba tó gi, gbọ́lọ́run tóbi fúnra rẹ̀. This is how you treated Lizzy Anjorin. This is how you treated Mohbad. This is how you treated Naira Marley. This is how you treated Ijesha. Seeing you with APC Iyabo Ojo, ó máa affect wọn bàjẹ́bàjẹ́. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ APC, ẹ mọ̀ pé méjì Iyabo Ojo ò dáa. Èmi mọ̀ pé stunt ni orí burúkú tó ń ṣe lánàá ní airport o. Torí mo ti confirm wọ́n ní kò jẹ́ ní o. Why I'm saying this ahead. tí Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu tí ò bá padà wọlé, ṣé statement tó jáde lẹ́nu Iyabo Ojo ṣé kò lè pa? Tá bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa morality, ẹ jẹ́ kó bẹ̀rẹ̀ lórí APC member, ẹ jẹ́ kí morality ẹ jẹ́ kó bẹ̀rẹ̀ lórí APC. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tọ́ àwọn ọmọ bí wọ́n ṣe lè nífẹ̀ẹ́, bí wọ́n ṣe lè support Yorùbá ẹgbẹ́ wọn. Ìjọba APC nígbà tí Haúsá sọ pé kó á lo Haúsá tẹ̀léra wọn, wọ́n dìbò fẹ́yìn APC. Ìgbò ní kó á lo, wọ́n tẹ̀léra wọn, wọ́n deliver fún yín. Ìbànújẹ́ àti ìtìjú ló jẹ́ fún yín pé Yorùbá ò deliver fún yín. Ìdí tí Yorùbá ò dẹ̀ ṣe deliver fún ìjọba APC ni wípé ẹ pẹ̀lú bí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ṣe dà lẹ́nu, ẹ wà nínú àwọn tó ń abet ìwà burúkú ní irú ìwà Iyabo Ojo yìí. Iyabo Ojo telling a whole president wípé health ẹ ti deteriorate, kò ní lè mójútó ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà. Ṣé ẹ mọye èèyàn tí Iyabo Ojo ti sọ orú ọ̀rọ̀ báyìí sí tó ti gba omijé lójú ẹ̀ tẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣe nǹkan kan sí? Next election máa ṣú yín lójú. This thing here kò yẹ kó máa gbé láàrin èrò. This thing here olórí burúkú tó ranjú Iyabo Ojo yìí kò yẹ kó máa gbé láàrin èrò. Ṣé bá Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu padà di president ló jẹ́ kó bọ́ lọ́wọ́ Iyabo? Bí Iyabo Ojo ṣe ń jáde physically tó ń attack Aṣíwájú ló ń jáde London gist lover ló ń attack Aṣíwájú. Nígbà tẹ́ bá wá lajú kalẹ̀ kí irú olórí burúkú yìí wá máa parọ́, wọ́n ti fòun ṣe fan ambassador. Kí ni nǹkan tó lè jẹ́ nǹkan ìwúrí àbí àríkọ́ṣe lára ẹgbẹ́ APC tá fẹ́ fi tó àwọn ọ̀dọ́ nípa loyalty? Gbogbo wa tá a dàgbà lẹ́nìí tó fi loyalty kọ́, wọn ò fi loyalty kọ́ wa pẹ̀lú ọwọ́ yẹpẹrẹ, wọ́n fi loyalty kọ́ wa pẹ̀lú gbígbóná ni pé you need to be loyal. 20,500. Owó Uber yìí is 20,500 naira. 20,500 naira.
Nigerian problem is big.
Nigerian problem is big. Ẹ wojú ẹ. Ẹ wojú Iyabo. The same person tó sọ fún Iyabo Ojo pé health ẹ ti bàjẹ́, pé health ẹ ti deteriorate, pé health ẹ kò ní lè ṣe ìjọba. Health yẹn ló fi ń ṣe ìjọba ń sìn. Ó wá fẹ́ jẹ fan yogo. Ó fẹ́ jẹ ambassador fan yogo. We need to be careful. We need to be careful. Listen to yourself. Should be the same thing you did to me. Should be the same thing. Abo ṣe ṣe báyìí fún mi. You always come online. Ṣé wọ́n nìkan ló wà láyé? Iyabo ò ní ẹ̀kọ́. Aláburú ni olórí burúkú ni ẹ́. Ó dẹ̀ kórìíra Yorùbá. Iyabo Ojo ò tí ì rí ìran Yorùbá kankan tó ń ṣe rere. Ẹ fún mi ní ìran Yorùbá kan ṣo tó ṣe nǹkan rere tó gbé nǹkan rere kalẹ̀ tó lórí burúkú ọmọ àlè tí yẹ ẹ̀yà wèrè fún 30 years yìí tó support rí. Tó bá ní wọ́n kọ́kọ́ bú IG láyé olórí burúkú Iyabo Ojo ló kọ́kọ́ bú IG. Olórí burúkú Iyabo Ojo ló kọ́kọ́ gbogbo àwọn tó wà lórí ipò lẹ́nìí. Olórí burúkú Iyabo Ojo ni. Iyabo Ojo ò rí ọmọ Yorùbá kan tó ń ṣe nǹkan rere kó support wọn. Ó máa takò wọn ni pé wọn ní jẹ́yàn. What she did, ó fẹ́ ṣe fíìmù ni o. She just want to subject APC to bully. And she want people to see APC as a bad person. Ṣé bí àwọn tó ṣe kéèsì mi ní Dumata, I didn't know APC. same gist lover. Iyabo Ojo, same you that you tag the president a drug lord. The same thing you did to Naira Marley, the same thing you did to Mohbad. The same thing ló ṣe ń fi ọ̀rọ̀ drug kan Lizzy Anjorin bó ṣe fi kan president. You should be ashamed of your living. You should be ashamed of your miserable life. Ǹjẹ́ wo mọ̀ pé president máa padà? Ǹjẹ́ o mọ̀ pé Tinubu máa padà di president lánàá nígbà tó ń takò? Shame on you, Iyabo Ojo. Go and bury your head. Mrs. Ronke, 51. Advice to withdraw, please. Gbogbo yín tẹ́ ń hùwà bí Iyabo Ojo àbí tẹ́ ń support ẹ̀. Ṣé ti rí pé ẹ wò gbésí ayé Iyabo Ojo. Kò mọ̀ pé Tinubu máa padà di president. Ẹ kò lè rò pé president ní Tinubu, ẹ rò pé àgbàlagbà ni, but he will never forgive this. No human being born of flesh can ever forgive this. And this has been Iyabo Ojo's lifestyle. Pulling people tó need ìrànlọ́wọ́, pulling them down for money. That is what Iyabo Ojo has been doing all her miserable life. They are not compensating Iyabo. Temitope. Ṣé tó bá fún Iyabo Ojo l'ambassador, ṣé ẹ ní rí commissioner for aviation bẹ́ẹ̀ ni? Báwo ni gbogbo yín ṣe rí báyìí? Ṣé níjọ́ tí Iyabo Ojo dé tó ní wọ́n ti fi ọmọ òun ṣe ambassador Tanzania Airways or airline? Ìjọ́ lẹ ti wá rí ọmọ Iyabo Ojo àti àlè ẹ̀ tó ń gbé kiri. Ìjọ́ lẹ ti rí wọn ní Tanzania. Iyabo Ojo kàn ya skit kiri ń tiẹ̀ ni. Ó ti mọ̀ pé máa fall into it. Paying compensation for who? Who are they compensating? You think Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu is a regular president? Kò sí ẹni tó ránró tó Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed. You all don't know Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu. Compensate for what? What are they compensating her for? So they will make Iyabo Ojo to become a brand ambassador of fan, and there will not be aviation minister there. There will not be Yeye there. It's only those three Mpeke that will be following her. Look at you. Bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ni bitter soul. Bí Iyabo Ojo, orí òróró soul. If they made anybody to become an ambassador of fan, ẹni tó máa buwọ́lùwé for you to become an ambassador is Minister of Aviation. So ìwé tán fi ṣe ambassador dà fún Iyabo. Ṣé ẹ̀yin rí Minister of Aviation? Ibo lẹ́yìn ti rí? Just because she borrowed camera, she went there. Ṣé tó bá fẹ́ fi Iyabo Ojo ṣe Minister of Aviation? Ibi tó ń bọ̀ yẹn ló máa lọ dúró sí. When we have our beautiful international airport, we have our beautiful local airport. So is that charger place that they will take Iyabo Ojo to? Are they compensating Iyabo Ojo for bullying and disrespecting Tinubu during election by overlooking all of Iyabo Ojo's actions? Or they are compensating Iyabo Ojo for obstructing justice for Mohbad? You think government will have anything to do with Iyabo Ojo when she's dealing with issue of murder case? You think Mohbad case? Remember that what happened at toll gate? Iyabo Ojo was the one that did the toll gate rally. You remember? Iyabo Ojo was fully involved in that toll gate matter. She didn't hide it. Gbogbo bon ṣe sun police station. Iyabo Ojo was fully involved. All those police stations they burned down during EndSARS. Iyabo Ojo was fully involved. You think the government don't remember all that? I am just saying this to all of you that behaves like Iyabo Ojo. When you see your fellow human being that needed help, do two things or pick one thing. Tó bá rí ọmọlàkejì tó ní ìrànlọ́wọ́, ṣe nǹkan méjì àbí kò ṣe nǹkan ẹyọ kan tó kù má bá wọn ṣe torí o mọ̀lá. tó bá rí ọmọlàkejì ẹ tó need ìrànlọ́wọ́ tó wà nínú ìṣòro ràn lọ́wọ́ financially kó dẹ̀ lóyà sí tàbí tó bá ní ràn lọ́wọ́ financially lóyà sí gbé ojú ẹ kúrò níbi ìṣubú ọmọlàkejì ẹ ó wà very important. Do not pick Iyabo Ojo's lifestyle. It will backfire. Never pick this nuisance lifestyle. It will backfire. If truly Iyabo Ojo become fan ambassador, Punch, all this notable, ṣé Punch tó ń bá Iyabo Ojo gbé ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá Mohbad, Punch ni ò ní wá bá Iyabo Ojo gbé pé ó di fan ambassador. All those places Iyabo Ojo show, you realize that when Iyabo Ojo wanted to walk around crowd, Iyabo Ojo asked the cameraman to go and stand up somewhere. She only walks around like someone that came to inspect. She was doing skits. If fan want to endorse you, fan is a big stuff in this country. That is our aviation, federal aviation. Ṣé federal aviation wá kéré nínú ayé ni? Federal aviation, if they give you an ambassador of federal aviation, the minister for aviation will be there congratulating you. You will snap video with a lot of pilots. Not that you go and snap by one charging point. I am telling you, I am doing this show to teach you a great lesson. Don't always be at the detriment. Don't be the reason your colleague will fall. Don't be the reason other people will fall. Always learn how to support people because you don't know who will help you. Iyabo Ojo does not have education. She does not have any handwork. Iyabo Ojo came out few weeks ago. She said she's a president of single mother. And you want such person to come and be face of our aviation. Mungbo. Sister Toke. Igbo muyin, Igbo muyin. Igbo muyin e wa mugbo. I am not staging this show for anything. I am staging this show to tell you, do not be reason for people's downfall. Have a purpose in life. Let reasonable people. Irú Iyabo Ojo ńsìn kò ní tẹ̀lé Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu. Torí kò kí ń ṣẹnu ìṣó tó máa fi gba donation. Iyabo Ojo ò ní tẹ̀lé Lizzy Anjorin. Torí kò lè fi gba donation. Kò ní tẹ̀lé Naira Marley. Torí kò lè fi gba donation. Ṣùgbọ́n Iyabo Ojo máa tẹ̀lé ẹnu ìṣó torí ó fẹ́ gba donation. Don't live such life. Don't ridicule yourself like Iyabo Ojo. Don't bring yourself down like Iyabo Ojo. Don't live a terrible life like Iyabo Ojo. What will it cost Iyabo Ojo minding her business during that election? If Iyabo Ojo mind her business during that election, will she die? Ẹ̀yin kan wà bẹ́ẹ̀ Iyabo Ojo ti gbéṣẹ́ lé yín lọ́wọ́. Ṣé rí lọ́jọ́ tí oríire bá ti ń wùn yín, ibi tẹ́ ẹ̀rọ kan oríire sí, wọ́n ṣe máa gbé màtíríà yín jáde rè. Bó ṣe máa gbé màtíríà yín jáde rè. Bó ṣe máa gbé rẹ̀. Imagine telling Tinubu that Tinubu does not have good health to rule Nigeria. And you want to become a fan yoga ambassador under the same regime that you said the man does not have good health. Learn how to support people during crisis. When you see people that are dreaming big, don't become Iyabo Ojo that shallow people with big dreams. You always see Iyabo Ojo around people with no future ambition like Iyabo Ojo. You will never see Iyabo Ojo supporting people with big dreams. In life, if you want to make it in life, you must be a full and a strong supporter of people of big vision. Iyabo Ojo is not on fan official page. If you don't have problem that will make Iyabo Ojo to use you for donation, Iyabo Ojo can never support you. If you don't have problem that will make Iyabo Ojo to use you for donation, you can never ever see Iyabo Ojo supporting people to become a president, a governor, a senator or rep. Ọmọ ìyá mi, báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ ṣoríire nígbà tó bá ní governor kankan tó support kó dórí oyè, o ní president tó support tó dórí oyè, o ní o mọ̀yàn, o jẹ́yàn. Ọmọ ìyá mi tó jẹ́ ọmọ tálíkà bí Lizzy Anjorin, báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ gòkè ọlá? She's just bringing unnecessary drama to divert people from our victory, from court. Mi ní wáyétì. Iyabo, oh, notice nǹkan kan wípé notice nǹkan kan wípé àtìgbà tí mo ti ń ṣe show nsìn lórí TikTok, ojú àwọn èèyàn